Okay guys, I have to show you something. So here's the back of my hair without the hairpiece. I mean, having it up technically. You see that? You see how alopecia has done me? So look at this though. I mean, look at all that hair. Once I lay it down, I love it. My name is Natalie, and I'm going to tell you today about how I take off my piece and apply it. So with my super hair piece, it is a 5-inch across and 7 inches back. I still do have hair that is actually mine, so I only get a top piece and then just blend it in with the rest. Now, I've had my hair piece on for about 4 weeks now, and it's pretty much time to start anew. I sweat a lot on the front area of my head and along my face, so that tends to loosen the front area up a little bit more than this back area. And that's why I have to use the Walker Tape C22 solvent. This is how I release the top piece. The front comes off a little bit easier just because I sweat along there more. But the back, this is really good stuff to use, so I'm not pretty much torturing myself. Spray the front area. It is oily, kind of citrusy. But I like to first take off the front area, let that sit in a little bit. I release the tape and the hair on top of my head with this comb, because I do have hair around the sides, so but you see it still has some glue on there and some tape, and that's fine. We solve it. I just spray along all the sides especially. I find that just regular cotton shirts work perfect for me to just kind of bring this glue down away from the strands of hair, like so, and see how it just comes right off. Okay guys, as you can see, I have got done cleaning my piece. I have no glue on top, no tape being left behind. It is ready to be washed. I added some shampoo, and I wash it kind of like clothes back in the day. I like to rub around the edges, make sure there's no stickiness, and I let it sit for just a minute. After my shampoo is all out with the hot water, what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to just lather on my conditioner. And then afterwards I rinse with cold water, because I feel like it locks in that shine and that moisture. Press down so it gets some excess water out. And of course along the edges, because along the edges is where I apply my tape and also the glue. Now that it's all pretty much dried on this side here, I use the tape first. And because it's too thick, what I normally do is just cut along the middle, and I can make a little pieces straighter or curved if I want. And then after I apply the tape all along the sides, what I use next is Walker Tape Ultra Hold. It comes with a brush, and then I can just apply it over the tape. I let it dry for about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, and then I apply my top piece onto my head. You see how natural that looks there? And I have it now back on. Make sure that it's all nice and tight. It really isn't going anywhere. It just looks so natural. I love it. I love Super Hair Pieces. I love this piece. Now I'm just gonna let it air dry and go about my day.